Hey Pisces, this is going to be a general reading from the 9th of October till the 16th of October. This reading is for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs in Pisces. It's a general reading, guys. It may or may not resonate with everyone, but I hope it resonates with everyone. Wow, you've got so many cards. You've got the Moon card, which is your card, Pisces. Okay, Three of Pentacles. Wow, okay. Card at the bottom of the deck is Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Cups, sorry. Pisces. In the past, you're coming out of an energy of feeling dejected, unwanted, and feeling as if you didn't matter. You're coming out of that energy because it kept you trapped. Probably you were with somebody or you were in a work situation where there were a lot of secrets and a lot of backbiting happening, and it was basically very toxic, and it made you feel as if you weren't good enough and that you were stuck in a place where you didn't belong. Yeah, I feel that you had arguments with your seniors or colleagues who were older to you, probably, or you were involved with somebody, romantically involved with somebody who was older to you. Could be a woman or a man. This reading is not gender specific. Could be a girl with a girl or guy with a guy, which is okay. That's what it's showing. But there was definitely some kind of deception somewhere, sneaky behavior which led one of you to feel left out in the cold, and you felt as if no matter what you did, how much you tried, you could never be good enough for this person, and your love couldn't ever suffice. It was a love union. You guys did offer each other that, yeah, what do you call it? That love and that care, but one of you or both of you couldn't deal with it anymore. Somebody left this relationship, and the other person felt stuck because they didn't know how to withdraw their feelings from you and move on, while the person that you were involved with moved on quite swiftly, leaving you feeling anxious, and you were overthinking about the situation. You felt trapped. But I feel there's somebody else who's trying to break that wall and reach out to you, but you're not letting them come in because obviously you're getting over your previous relationship, or this thing happened very recently. So it's just too fresh right now. And this person keeps coming back again. Probably they were a little immature or very immature, and the union that you guys had didn't end very well. Like, it wasn't mutual, obviously, because I see one person being very sneaky, the other person being overly emotional, and things just didn't pan out to be really positive, and it ended. But this person wants to come in and communicate. Probably they want to offer you um, another a fresh start. Basically, they want to ask you out again. But there's also somebody else. Now, I'll just specify the signs that are being pointed out here. So, the person who left could be a fire sign individual, Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius, or you could have fire in your chart, but I feel it's the other person because they're coming back again and offering you something new. Yeah, and this new person who wants to offer you a new beginning, a fresh start, is an earth sign individual, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Could also be Gemini or another fellow Piscean or a Scorpio. Pisces, I feel that you guys, you know, after you went through this breakup, this forced breakup that it was, you learn to pick the pieces up and move on. You feel in your power right now. You're getting along with things. You do have those phases where you feel trapped in that sadness, but then you brush it off, and because you're so brave, Pisces, and you concentrate on things that make you feel empowered. You concentrate on things that make you feel um, more in your element. Okay, I'm also getting a sign that this person who left, they also got you pregnant. It may not resonate with everyone. I hope it doesn't. But I'm getting this feeling that they, you know, you got pregnant with their baby and they left without answering you. Now, it could be a husband or somebody you were involved with, and that has left you feeling anxious. But now you were like, you know what, whatever, I'll deal with it myself. Now, you've chosen to take the reins of your life in your own hands, and this person has realized that probably they made the wrong move, impulsively made the wrong move, and now they want to come back. But there's also somebody who's more stable, who's a hard working person, who's also very good looking, you know. um, they want to offer you that support, that love that you need right now, because you're becoming a mother. So yeah, and this person also wants to communicate, but I feel you're not going to be, in the past, even in the past, they both were there, these two people, but you were paying attention to the one who left for obvious reasons. Obviously, they are accountable for what happened, right? It's a union and it's your responsibility. Duh. But they left, nevertheless. And you were paying attention to that while this other person was offering you stability and love, and they're ready to, you know, support you through this journey and probably beyond that. Probably marry you and take this baby as their own, you know? And now you are realizing that, yeah, this person is a better one who is giving you this love and support. And this person who is this flaky person who just left without being accountable to anything, this person is not worth it. And I'm glad that you are realizing that, Pisces, because if this reading is for somebody out there, then you should probably give this person a chance who is willing to hold your hand through the journey, as opposed to this person who just left. Yeah, it's going to be a very happy ending. An ending after a sad, sorry, yeah, a happy ending, which was a result of a sad ending. You know what I mean? Like a sad ending with this flaky friend. You've got the Five of Pentacles twice. So this person was horrible, probably, who left you. And this person who's coming back again, who's been waiting for you to, just look up at them and say, yes, I want to be with you and let's do this. That's going to end up happily. That's what I meant. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to relay the messages as clearly as possible. It's okay to be different and imagine. Yeah, I think you just need to imagine the good for yourself and for your baby, and that's going to, help you. And if this reading is not for you, and if you were just left out in the cold, then guys, give this other person a chance, who's waiting for you to say yes. You know what? If you could give the wrong person so much love, care, and attention, imagine what you could do to the right one. Yeah? Waves of prosperity and playtime. The moment you get out of this energy of feeling dejected, you will attract what you want: prosperity, love, health, happiness. And I feel you need to take some time out and indulge in lighter things. Perfect timing. Wow. You've got the perfect timing card, guys. It's the perfect time to get over this person, I guess. Or it's the perfect time to chase your dreams or start a new relationship or, embrace motherhood. Oh, what do you need to release? Guys, that's what's come out. What do you need to release? Ask this question to yourself, and you'll know the answer very, very soon, because you know what to release. This past person who left you, Pisces, that person needs to be released, and this new person who wants to offer you love, they need to be embraced, because they're so nice. I mean, I'm getting such positive vibes from them, and you've got the Nine of Cups, and you've got another Nine or Ten of Cups over here. Ten of Cups. So, obviously it's a great offer. You just need to take it. Pisces. I'm so happy for you. Great things are happening and it's a happy ending, okay? So just smile and take each day as it comes. Be brave, guys. Be brave. Thank you for watching. Bye.